retrospect snow.
It looked like a blizzard from my window. Our window's almost popped.
Probably will be on or not.
Oh crap. That's bad. Okay, I'm just sitting here and then I hear my windows start popping. I look at my windows, almost got raptured. Focus! I know you got a problem, listen. There's some stupid zzz noise. You can't even see the other side of the trailer park. We're gonna have berms in our yard, dude. Ridiculous. Can't get a break from this wind. I ain't gonna have windows, I bet. Thanks for focusing on the stuff 2 feet away from you and not the scenery in front of you. Thanks a lot. Look at that. Those are on their way down. They're having gusts of 45 north of us. Dude, look at that. Look at that. It is white outside. Oh, there's a short video. January 25th, 2025, if I forget to put it in the date. Look at that! Looks like a cloud. It looks like a cloud going across the street, I swear. Oh god, it's coming in. Hello everyone, the first clip that you saw was from a blizzard thing that we had a couple nights ago. It lasted about a half hour and then it went away. But this is going to be the second part of the video where we have a risk of 45-mile-an-hour wind gusts. First time in a while we've got that. We've had 35, possibly 40. Well, we're having threats of 45 miles an hour. Like 2 years ago, we had 50-mile-an-hour winds that made berms of snow in our yard. That was 2 years ago. We'll see how this goes today. Chimney's already blowing. Yeah, there you go. Alright, it's 3 p.m. There's a plane up there. We have this on the ground, and it did snow a little bit today. It wasn't too much though. That fell off from up there. There's a dead branch up there that's swinging. That thing right above my window there. It's been there for 2 years now. It's not coming down. I hope not. I went to the bathroom a couple minutes ago. Yeah, I know. It's so dirt. I went to the bathroom a couple minutes ago and I was in there and I could hear the wind in when I can hear the wind in the bathroom. That's how you know this is bad. When I can hear the wind in the bathroom in the house. That's bad. That's how your trees are moving over there. Let's go out the front. Ooh. Holy crap. Here it is. Oh my God! You're gonna break my camera even more, dude. Hello. Hear that dung dung dung? That's the dang driveway next door. Somebody's howling. That's not the wind. That's somebody going, wee. There's a bag in the tree that just rattlesnaked. There's a new word. Dude, that thing's gonna come down soon. I'm surprised it hasn't come down at all. That thing's about ready to come down. That, dang. Well, there you go. There's a wind video. First one in a little while. Well, if you count Halloween, it's still a little while back. But even before that, I'm talking. You don't see too much 60-mile-an-hour things as much as you did like 2 years ago. This is still crazy. I'm gonna get in the house now before something flies at my head and kills me. They hear that? That's their driveway. I'm surprised this thing hasn't fallen. That about fell a couple minutes ago. I got that on camera. Almost fell off the balcony. Yeah, this is our trailer balcony. Dang it! Ooh. Anyways, I'm gonna get inside now. Dumb. 6:45. Oh shit! Oh, crap, dude. Oh crap. Hear that? 6:45 p.m. I meant to say that before I went open the door. It should be snowing. What the crap, dude? Dude. We got so... I think I scared the dog pretty bad. How is this legal? Dude, I think it's like the rapture or something. Yeah, this is a good idea, sitting out right here. It's a very good idea. You know how elms are, let's stand right under it. I'm getting inside, it ain't getting no better. Ooh. Ooh, got snow in my shoe. Hear that? No, it sounds like a train. There ain't no train going right now. It sounds like a train or a plane coming. There ain't no plane either. Dude. Oh God, I don't want to be out here. Why am I out here then? Woo! Sitting here in the aftermath of that. Gaylord got 65 yesterday. 65 miles an hour. Pontiac got 56.
It was 60-mile-an-hour winds that pushed over that tree.
Yeah, Jacob. We nicknamed it Jacob. That tree was there. That's part of my childhood. That's why I threw a fit when I went out to the living room and saw it looked like there was a sideways like a weird bent forest, and in the yard over there, and I was like, that thing was 75 feet tall or something, somewhere around there. When the sun set, you could look like the top of the tree was on fire. And it was like 60 miles an hour that day.
60.
Yeah, you were out there watching it, like the floor, watching the ground like rise, right?
Yeah.
And you guys went in, and then it finally came down.
Yeah, it wasn't too long after that.
I must have been on my headphones or something, because I didn't hear or see a dang thing until the next morning.
Your dad saw it.
Yeah. I'm still not used to seeing a big bare spot there. We don't even live there anymore.
I couldn't see it from where I was sitting.
It shocked me. Just now, it shocked me when I looked at my radar and it said 54 miles an hour. That was yesterday. That scream I had when I opened the door before I came in the house.
Yeah.
I got stuck on the bars.
Yeah.
54. How would they forecast 45 and then it gets 10 above that? Where does that come from? What is that? What did that? Pontiac got 56. That was their highest one. Gaylor got 60. Let me think. Where James is in Lake St. Clair, St. Clair Shores. That wasn't too bad over there. I heard it was 45. So that's still ridiculous, but South Haven recorded 60. Well, that's South Haven. It's right at the lake, so seems to always be that way.